Good morning, YouTubers. I had trouble getting your stream going. We are already at market open. Just be patient. It was beyond my control, but we finally got you going. Kept cutting in and out on me. I don't know if you heard a word of what I said. Need Ticker Chick to wake up here. We got CAMP spiking up. Looks like we have previous resistance levels set on this one already. Breaking right through them. Pushing up from $4 to $5.39. That's a $1.39 gain. Now higher, $6. Got to be quick this morning. Take those profits as they are rising. Don't take a chance of it falling and you lose it all. Got to have your finger on that buy and sell button at all times. Got some profit taking going on. We may go back up and retest the top here. Let's see if it happens. Currently sitting at 550. Watching these lower indicators. There's the buyers coming back in. Tall green buyer bar down here. Some profit taking going on. Looks like the play here was the first initial spike upwards, and I was a little late on it. Hopefully some of you are watching it before I clicked on it. Great job, Milo. Milo 1320, that's a great one. Barry C 675. Profit 777, 601. Well, a few of you grabbed a piece of it. I didn't. I was too late on it. I had that I'm late feeling, so I didn't click the mouse. Never call it lucky. Call it skill. Give yourself credit. Nice try, though, Ronnie. ASST. ASST spiking up. It's down here in Magic Scan. I need to focus this morning. Currently at 1550. Money flow is red. Dominator is red. Some profit taking going on. When these flip back green, we may spike back up. Going to go ahead and mark this level. If we break above it, it's probably going to run again. Nice job, Aaron. 144. Barry C, $32. Testing that 1550 level. Looks like it was denied or rejected. Selling off now. Hope you're not hanging on, hoping it bounces. CAMP back to camp. It done broke the previous high of the body of the candles. I'll go ahead and mark that out, but it's already broke through it. Coming down to retest the 595 area. We may bounce off of this line to go upwards. So if we can break this body of the candle here, we should go up some more. Here comes a small push. Let's see if they can pull it off. Up to 724. We did break that level for a small spike of about 40 cents. If you were able to catch on to it. They are still trying to push it higher. And they failed, but there was opportunity there to bank a little bit of money on it. Good job, Gary. 5,053. I'm going to assume that's your second time to trade it. And D, 520. First time to trade it? Man, you must have been in heavy, brother. KK, 705. Good trade. RKW over on YouTube, $29. El Suwan on ASST made 25 cents a share, or 25 cents. I don't know which one it is. Holding above that 650, now dropping down below it. Good job, Mark Woods over on YouTube, $52. Terry, 10,972 on camp. Good trade, Terry. Wilson Franco, $215 on CAMP. Pro dollar, that happens. They start catching on and they know what they're doing. They rely on the tools they have at hand and start nailing it. I do the same thing, actually. I don't blame them. Sell the farm when the opportunity's there. Once you get that confidence going, it gets a little bit easier. Gets a little bit riskier, too. Don't let me leave that word out. Mr. Dez, Camp 1709. Good trade there, Mr. Dez. And R, $64. Joe, 74 cents a share on 300 shares. Great trade, Joe. Rehab Trader, plus $1.15 on camp. Nice trade, Rehab Trader. Richard, 264 a share. Wow. Good job, Richard, on CAMP. And C, $20 on camp. Nice trade. At least I'm not seeing any red ones up there. You guys are getting it, I think. And gals, don't let me leave you out. In Texas, guys are everybody. JC, $88 on camp. Let's go take a look at ASST again. Above that 1552, getting a buy signal on the chart. Let's see if we can break that body of the candle high, which is right there. We break above that, we may spike up a little more. Looks like it was pretty rejected there. AEHL. AEHL. Erase the first symbol before you put in the second. We have a previous level set there at 29.25. Going to have to break that level. Good job, Barry. $74 on AEHL. JC 131. Quant Baby 713. Nice one there. Elsa One, 30 cents per share on 500 shares of CWD. He's off trading another stock somewhere. YouTube, $1.18 per share on camp. Nice trade, YouTube. Good to see you this morning, brother. Been hanging on to it for a while, Elsa One. Forgot you owned it? Or you got into that money this morning? Rosebud, 456 AEHL. Greg T, 250 on ASST. We have a trader on YouTube. Got into AEHL at $22 earlier today, this morning. Are you still holding Elsa One? Or you got out of it? I would have took the money and run, actually. But nice trade, Elsa One. AEHL dropping hard now. Nice trade, Elsa One. Good job, L.
PMVP. ORCX.
Ronnie, are you recording your trades to see what you're doing wrong? That really does help, I promise you.
ORCX.
Cheaper to buy that recording software than it is to lose that kind of money.
TBTX. NVGX. TOP. NVGX. NVGX.
Well, you're not the only one, Ronnie. We've all been there. Get past it. Figure out what's wrong. You can do it. I know you got it.
NVGX.
And VDX, NVIDIA moving again this morning. Come on, toss work for me this morning.
NVGX. TOP.
See you later, Terry. Have a blessed one.
TECM.
I saw your message, Milo. I'll get to it in just a second.
TOP. NVGX. TOP. NVGX. ORCX. REVB. PMVP. ORCX. PMVP. ORCX. PMVP. NVDL. NVDU. PMVP.
Milo, can you have those two message me directly? I can't find their names, and the only way I can do it is if I try to message them and see if it's the right person.
PMVP.
PMVP.
NVDL. NVDX.
PMVP pumping up high here. It's a $3 stock, so be careful of pump and dumps at this level. Pushing up to 316. If you got in earlier, take the profit. It's slowing down. Pulling back down to 277. Now back up to 280. Let's see if we get a bounce here. I'll go ahead and mark that high level of the body. If we get above that, it's going to run.
PRTG. NVDL. REVB.
Nice job, Elsa One. Good way to pay attention to what's going on. Me, I'm trying to work support and trade and post the stocks. I think we need to start putting them off until we get to situations where we can get over there without losing money. If they were here earlier, it wouldn't be so bad, but right here at trading time, it makes it difficult. Yeah, that breakout signal's powerful, Elsa One. That means it's time to look. Long tail on the bottom of this candle on PMVP. Let's see if the buyers can bring it back up there. Doesn't look like it's going to happen.
CHN. AAOI.
So that would be the case under normal conditions, but we do have paying members. I need to get active as soon as they go dead. So best I lose a little and get them going. Right here is a breakout. Right here.
NVDU.
CWD doesn't have enough volume to trade it. That brings the risk up really high.
GDXU.
REVB.
GOSS.
Does that stand for reverb? Volume a little sluggish on REVB. It is going up, just low volume. Look like the buyers have found it now. Let's see if we can push it past that 330 range or even make it up to that 330. That's a previous line of resistance. There we go, testing that 330. Let's see if we can push above it. Lot of sellers up there.
PTIO.
PMVP moving down. Palantir moving slowly.
PTIO. BW. USD. REVB.
Ready for another trade. REVB pushing through that 330 level we had posted. That's an old resistance level. We did break above it. Let's hope it stays a support level now. There's the retest of 330. Let's see if we bounce back upwards or go down below it. Buyers are trying to keep it up. Could not hold above 330. Now back down.
PTIO.
Hard selling going on. Must have made a few people mad.
NVDU. AAOI.
Nice try, Greg T.
PTIO. ASRT. GDXU. VITF. PTIO.
Palantir's still moving around slowly. Nice job, Mr. D. 104 on REVB. The stock is really struggling to get above that 330.
VITF. REVB. NVDM.
REVB buyers trying to get through all of those sellers.
VITF.
Be careful with this one. It's quite bouncy. There is a big battle going on between buyers and sellers at this level. It could go either direction. Going to go ahead and set that other level up here, right there. Let's just call it 350. We can break that one. We may be free of the sellers. Testing that 350 level now. Can they push through them? Got about 6,000 shares setting to be sold at 360. Very choppy on REVB. Lots of battle going on here. It's going to be hard to get higher. Now we have lots of sellers up there. I'm watching Bookmap also, Paul. If you're not using Bookmap, you're missing out. I'll go ahead and pull it over here. You can see all the sellers sitting here are all lined up. It's going to be a struggle to get up here. This is basically a heat map. The darker or brighter the colors, the red and the oranges, are a lot of selling. And we're kind of stuck between all of them right there.
STAK.
Bookmap is a software. Gives you live level 2 where you can visually see the trades before they happen. Instead of in a column like the level 2 you're used to, Bookmap breaks it down for you. Testing 350 again on REVB. Nothing but wicks on the top of these candles. It's going to be a struggle to get up there.
PTIO. NVDU.
I would say very negative on the money flow. Robert, just message me your question. I'll reply to it when the session's over.
NVDA.
You are welcome.
PLTG. NVDA. PTIO. NVDA.
We're trading pre-market in the U.S. market.
NVDA.
It is tradable.
NVDA. NVDU. PTIO. STAK. USD. CRWG. BW. TSMS.
I'm searching. I'm not finding. Kind of like fishing. I'm not catching.
NVDS. NVDA. BW.
New Life, this is where the money is down in pre-market.
CRWG. NVDA.
GLE looking upwards, but the volume is steady. No real drive to the upside here yet.
CRWG. HUBC.
Nice trade, Milo. Let's see if they can really get this thing going. A lot of people taking profits currently. Money flow is kind of negative under the yellow line, but that don't mean it can't jump back up there. Let's see if any of these levels are relevant. Probably that one right there. All right, breaking above 274, but slowly. The volume did slow down a bit, but it has great volume, so it's still pushing slowly. I'm not seeing a whole bunch of sellers above this price range. Few profit takers.
CRWG.
Currently watching GLE.
NVDA. CWD.
Pushing up higher now. It's getting more people's attention. There we go. Nice spike up, 372. I knew once it broke that level, it would take off. It almost happens almost every time. Very important to set those levels. It was a nice little push there for about 60 cents, 70 cents. Good job, Mr. P. 485, NI3, 72. Pajika 42, 420.70. Metronome 112. Good job, brother. M 265. Mac 33 cents a share. D-Man 37 on CWD. He's off on another trade.
XOXO. AMDM. NVDU. AOPM.
Good job, RKW on YouTube 266 GLE. Autumn Rain 211 GLE.
AOPM.
Mark Woods 101 on YouTube. Good trade. KK 1,213. Nice trade, KK. Haven't seen Gary chime in yet, unless I missed him. Nice trade, Milo, says another 1,000 on GLE. I don't blame you, Gary. You don't have to chase each one of them. I don't. It's kind of like, all right, I'll wait on the best one, not the good one, the best one. Good job, El Suwan on GLE, plus 20 cents a share. Man, what a week. Tens of thousands on Monday for most people. Some of you who hadn't made any money was making thousands on Monday. Tuesday, same thing, repeat. Lots of money made. Continuing this morning on a few stocks. They're not running like they were Monday and Tuesday, but they are running. Good job, Profit Princess. 335 on CWD. All right, y'all watch the charts. I need to get some of these members going.
BTS. NVDM. CRWG. CRWG. TNON. AVGX. XOXO. CRWG. AGMH, NVDL, TECL, SOXL,
All right, I think I got all of them.
AMDL, ELTG, INTS, ESNYW, INTS,
INTS. Wrong window. Delete. Penny stock spiking. I'm going to stay out of it. Currently at 33 cents. Watching money flow and dominator. Money flow, they're already profit taking it.
NVDX, HUBC, PRPH,
That's why I don't trade penny stocks.
PRPH,
PRPH. No volume, under $1.
PRPH,
You don't, JC. If you're on your chart, you should have a little emblem up there that says Bookmap. You click there and subscribe to it. It's on the same line
PRPH,
in the toolbar.
AVGX, HUBC,
JC, I just posted an image. You can see it on mine. If you don't see it in yours, you may have to contact support.
AAOR, AIIO, TRST, TRFK, TRST, AIIO, OKLM, TRST, AVGX, TRST, TRST,
Joe, we can do anything, but right now I'm just so tied up with other things, not concentrating anywhere else, just trying to jump over the hurdles and get them done. Thank you very much. All right, YouTubers, that free hour is up. I appreciate each and every one of you who join me on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays for that free hour. Don't forget to give me a like in the live stream. Makes YouTube buy my coffee, and that's about all they buy. But I thank you for joining me this morning. Don't give it back. I'll be live again on Friday for you. As always, have a very blessed day. I am out.